everyone, welcome to your English class. Students, today in your English class, we are going to do Unit 15 Prepositions from our elementary English grammar book. The main objective of today's class is to learn prepositions, or you can say position words. So what are prepositions? Prepositions are the position words. It tells us where a person, place, animal or a thing is. It connects or shows relation of a noun or a pronoun with other words in a sentence. For example, on, in, under, over, above, behind, etc. Now let's understand preposition with few detailed examples. The book is on the table. Here word on tells us the position of the book. Therefore, on is preposition. The toy is in the almirah. Here word in tells us the position of the toy. Therefore, in is preposition. The rabbit is under the tree. Here word under tells us the position of the rabbit. Therefore, under is preposition. The cat is jumping over the chair. Here word over tells us the position of the cat. Therefore, over is preposition. Now let's understand this topic with few exercises. Exercise 1. In this exercise, you have to underline the prepositions in the given sentences. Number 1. The cat is near the box. Now let's check the answer. Near, as near tells us the position of the cat, therefore it is preposition. Number 2. The book is on the table. Now let's check the answer. On, as on tells us the position of the book, therefore it is preposition. Number 3. The dog is sitting between the box and the chair. Now let's check the answer. Between, as word between tells us the position of the dog, therefore it is preposition. Number 4. There is a wall round the school. Let's check the answer. Round, as round tells us the position of the wall, therefore it is preposition. Number 5. The girl is hiding behind the tree. Now let's check the answer. Behind, as behind tells us the position of the girl, therefore it is preposition. Now here comes exercise 2. In this exercise, you have few options. Now you have to fill in the blanks with the suitable prepositions. Number 1. The moon shines dash night, and the options are at, under. Now let's check the answer. At. The moon shines at night. Number 2. The house is dash fire, and the options are on, in. Now let's check the answer. On. The house is on fire. Number 3. We went to the zoo dash Sunday, and the options are on, in. Let's check the answer. On. We went to the zoo on Sunday. Number 4. The sky is dash us. And the options are above, in front of. Now let's check the answer. Above. The sky is above us. Number 5. There is a bridge dash river. And the options are over, between. Now let's check the answer. Over. There is a bridge over river. Now kids, let's come to exercise 3. In this exercise, you can see a picture is given here. Now look at this picture very carefully and you have to fill in the blanks with the suitable prepositions. Number 1. The boy is sitting dash TV. Looking at the picture, you have to give the answer. Let's check the answer. In front of. Right. The boy is sitting in front of TV. Number 2. The flower pot is dash the fridge. Now again give a look and just say the answer. Let's check it out. On. The flower pot is on the fridge. Number 3. The mother is dash the boy. Again look at the picture and give the answer. Let's check it out. Behind. The mother is behind the boy. Number 4. The father is sitting dash the sofa. Give a look at the picture to get the answer. Let's check it out. In. The father is sitting in the sofa. Number 5. There is a picture dash TV. Now let's check the answer. Above. There is a picture above TV. Okay kids. Now let's have a quick recap of what we have done today. Today we have learned that prepositions are the words that tells us where the things are. Okay kids, I hope that today's topic prepositions is clear to you. Just revise the topic again and complete your related exercises given to you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.